Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make Turkey's traditional beetroot and carrot dips. Have you ever wondered how they make these at the Turkish restaurants? Well, I'm going to show you how truly easy it is to make these today. These dips are rich in flavour, creamy, so healthy for you, and you only need 3 main ingredients to get them going. These are the perfect addition to your mezes or any awesome side dish. Without further ado, let's get started. So for our carrot dip, we need 3 medium-sized carrots, full-fat Greek-style yogurt, 1 juicy garlic, salt to taste, and plenty of olive oil and olives to serve at the end. Now our first step is just to prep these carrots, get them washed, get them peeled, get them cleaned, because we're going to get them ready for grating. Now the easiest way forward with the grating is actually to use a food processor grater, but if you don't have one handy, you can always use a regular handheld grater. The next step is to get a pan on medium to high heat, and to that we're going to add a good drizzle of olive oil and then throw in our grated carrot. Now the whole point of this step is just to get rid of that earthy crunch from the carrots, soften them up and bring out their sweetness. With mine, I cooked this for about 15 minutes or so, but you just need to make sure that your carrots are soft when you press down on them. Once you've cooked them, you want to set them aside and allow them to cool completely. So here I've got my yogurt and minced garlic, and to that we're just going to add a bit of salt to taste. Now you can always add more salt later on. Also, some people like to cook the garlic to lessen its flavour, but I like mine raw, mixed in with the carrots and the yogurt. Mix it all together, and once you've done that, you can add in your cooled and grated cooked carrots. Now, the texture of the overall dip should look something like this, not too thick, not too runny. If you find yours a little too thick, you can always add more yogurt, but keep in mind this will reduce the overall salt and garlic flavors. Now for our beets, we want to preheat our oven to 180 degrees fan force. The recipe for the beetroot dip is actually the exact same as the carrot dip, but we just replaced carrots with beets. So here I've got 2 medium-sized beetroots, and I'm adding a drizzle of oil to them. I'm going to cook these in the oven for about an hour or so, or until you poke them with a skewer and they're fully soft all the way through. Now once your beetroots are cooked and cooled, you can start peeling them. It doesn't really matter if you don't get all the skin off, it's all flavour at the end of the day. Once you've peeled your beetroots, you just want to grate them into a bowl, and after this we're going to add our beautiful grated beetroot to the same yogurt, garlic and salt mix. That's it guys, once you've mixed it in, you have beetroot dip. Serve this with a drizzle of olive oil and some olives. I like to use these traditional Turkish black olives. I really hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you guys want to see more traditional Middle Eastern cooking videos, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel to keep up with the delicious recipe ideas. Thanks again for watching, and happy cooking!